Dito naman sa vaccine, as of today, we have already administered by 59.5 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines, in which 32 million were given as first dose, while 27 million were given as a second dose. With around 35.5% of the target population have already been fully vaccinated, which puts us well on our way to achieving the target of at least 50% by the end of the year. Furthermore, I am happy to report that we exceeded our target of 55 million doses to be administered in October, primarily because the supply came in droves. Ibig sabihin, sige dating ang mga sa awa ng Diyos, yung mga donations, pati yung binili natin, procured by government. We also thank the generous vaccine donations of many countries, particularly the US, China, Japan, South Korea, Germany, among others. We also received 2.7 doses of Sputnik vaccine today from Russia, which is part of the Philippines procurement stream. I thank Russia, particularly President Vladimir Putin, for ensuring we receive these doses on a timely manner. As of today, nearly 109 million doses have arrived in the country, and it is now our job to get these doses in the arms of every Filipino.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.